Very good morning to everyone. Hope you all fine and you was very safe in this pandemic situation. And we are recovering from the pandemic with our introduction of the new vaccination for COVID-19. So hope you all staying safe in your home. So this subject is basically in basic electrical and electronics engineering, which is a common subject for CSE, ISE, and IT. So the subject code is you must know that U18EEI1201. So as you all know that this course has both theoretical component and also a lab component uh, for you to learn. So this subject is not taken for a single ISE department. It is a common for both CSE, ISE, and IT students. So the course handling faculty for the subjects or having a great strength of faculty with diverse experience and has a variety of experience from different field of interest in the electrical engineering. So I have listed out the course handling instructor, this course instructor for the subject or Professor Kandasamy and Ms. Anushri, Professor Kalipan and Professor Mohanraj and Professor Maithili and Professor Sandhya Devi and myself Surya Prakash and Professor Suresh Kumar. So everyone comes from different backgrounds, such as all from electrical engineering, but they are from as expertise in electrical machines, and certain people expertise in embedded systems, certain people expertise in power system, and certain expertise in power electronics. So when you're going for an actual class, they'll be giving the basic introduction about the course instructor of appropriate courses, and this is a small introduction about their course instructors. So so this course is a service subject for you that is being offered by Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and it has a 3 hours of lecturing and a 2 hours of practical session, and you will be getting the 4 credits for this particular course in your examination. So the prerequisite for this course is basically there is no prerequisite for this course. It can be understood if you're having effective knowledge of basic physics, chemistry, that is a basic physics from your school education. So the resource required can be of the desktop, laptop. If you're having mobile phones, that can be used for viewing the class materials, and you can do the lab simulation if it is needed. It is not mandatory. If it is available, it will be very helpful for you to do certain simulation that can be given during the lab classes. So this is what about this particular course has been a prerequisite for this particular course. So so about this course, this course is electrical engineering and electrical electronics, a fusion of both electrical and electronics engineering, which is a branch of engineering which deals with the study of an application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. A trained electrical engineer designs electrical circuit and equipments. So without knowing the basics of these things, you cannot able to design electrical circuit. You cannot understand the electrical circuit. So they work on a large power plants as well as in the small hardware companies, which including the designing, manufacturing, and operating the power plant and industrial machineries, electrical motors, and computer chips and ignition system for automobiles, aircrafts, spacecrafts, and all kind of engines. The electrical electronics engineering is a spread across a range of specialties such as acoustic, speech signal processing, electromagnetic compatibility, automobiles to vehicle technology, geoscience and remote sensing, and laser and electro-optics, robotics and ultrasonic and electric and frequency control. So as a student of this course, you are from the software engineering, you'll be having the personal question such as why a software engineer should know about the basic of electrical and electronics engineering. So the basic understanding, because in your world, even if your computer, if it is not going to, if it is get a power stuck, you must be know that how to debug the particular problem. Only with the basic of electrical engineering, you can able to debug the basic problem. So, and also whatever the product you are going to make of, if I'm creating a software product, you will be knowing, you will be creating a software product for a power plant or it may be an industry. So you must know the basic operation of the particular industry, what kind of machineries, and how we can write the code for a particular machinery. So the basic understanding of the machineries is needed for you. So this course will frame a layout for to understand the basic of circuits, machineries, and digital and analog circuits. So that's all about this course. So the organization of the course. So this course consists of five different modules such as DC circuits, AC circuits, electrical machines, and semiconductor devices and circuits, and digital systems. So in DC circuits, you will be learning about the basic laws and how to design a DC circuit and how to debugging the basic DC circuits. Similarly for the AC circuit, and in electrical machines you will be learning about the what is my DC machines, what is the AC machines, what are the transformer, how it's actually working, what are the construction, what are the characteristics of these things. In semiconductor devices, you will be learning about the basic semiconductor devices, and also you'll be learning about the power devices, power conductor, power electronic devices, certain basics of about it, and you will be learning about so where it can be used and what are the characteristics of these devices. And digital system, you will be understanding the basics of encoders, decoders, multiplexer, and logic gates. Everything you'll be learning. So this is the how we are going to organize this course, and you will be having um, the class pattern for this, that is a typical week for a particular course will consist of a 4 week for four synchronous session and three asynchronous session for a particular unit, that is a particular module, and you will be having the complete of 15 lab sessions. So this will be getting tentatively it will be get changed, depends upon the number of hours that has been allotted for a particular week. So the grading and assessment policy is typically followed by our KCT, has been produced by the German team. That is at a new version of a learning augmenter. We'll be having a synchronous test at the end of every online classes, and you'll be having the asynchronous test for every three asynchronous classes. You will be having two asynchronous tests per week, and other assignment will be given for you at every week, and you'll be having a weekly test about what you have learned in a particular week. It will be given as a test. It will be everything is going to be objective. Certain things will be a certain problematic. You have to solve it, and you have to upload it in MS Forms. And you will be having the at the end of this particular course, you will be having the CAET exams. That is, it's similar to the earlier CAT exams. So this is what our grading policy as designed by our KCT institution. So the outcome of this course as a student, you can able to solve the basic AC and DC circuit. So you can be able to select a suitable DC machine for a given application. You can able to select a suitable AC machine for a given application. You can able to characterize the logical gates and semiconductor devices according to their application. So you can also able to identify the electronic components and use them to design simple circuits. So everything, it's the outcome of the both the theoretical and the practical sessions. So thank you all for the keen listening, and we will be meeting you through the online classes. And thank you all. Bye.